Now I am saying a very big thanks to Dr. K. Srinivasar and his team. National Institute of Education Planning and Administration, New Delhi organizes faculty development program on design, development and deliver online courses from 14th June to 18th June 2021. I am Dr. U. Pandian, Assistant Professor, Tamil Nadu Teachers Education, Trichy, Chennai. This is my course, Research Methodology. Its course objective is to know the basic of research methodology, and another one objective is to understand the importance of research tools, and the course outcomes may be expected, explain the basic of research methodology, and apply the research tools in various research activities. Those who are studying in this course may be expected this kind of research outcomes, course outcomes or course outcomes. This is my course introduction. Now I am very happy to share with you. In this course is 4 quadrant course. Each course have 5 minutes core videos and video resource links, text materials and text resource links available, and image resources link available, and audio resource link available. It has discussion forum and historical perspective views, and finally each course attached self-assessment tools for evaluation purpose. Why I select this course? This course is very helpful for my future studies, so now I am interested to do the course. Thank you one and all.